One of the things I love most about being involved in the Women's Business League is all the incredible women that I get to meet. So today on Coop Knows, we're going to spend some time with Carrie Penna, who is the Executive Director of Soul Models. Soul Models is an incredible organization helping middle school girls in the Seacoast area.
My name is Carrie Penna, and I'm the Executive Director of Soul Models. We are a nonprofit that serves middle school girls in southern Maine and Seacoast, New Hampshire. We go into the middle schools and we work with them to put tools in their tool belt when middle school can be a lot sometimes. So helping them with self-esteem, resiliency, and feeling comfortable in their skin and finding their voice. My journey with Soul Models started about 6 years ago. I was working for a corporation and was approached by someone on the board about Soul Models, and when I heard their mission and I heard the girls speak, it just called to me. My experience in middle school involved, a lot of things that most people experience, changing of body and schools and towns, that the traditional experiences that you have. And then I lost my father suddenly, so I had grief on top of some of the traditional experiences. So when I heard what Soul Models created, the safe space, the tools they give people, I really knew that it was my calling and where I needed to be. So the next exciting news that we have for Soul Models is that we are doing our second annual summer camp here at MONA, the Museum of New Art in Portsmouth, right under Jimmy's Jazz Club. And our first week will be starting July 17th, going Monday through Friday, 9 to 11 a.m. And then the second week will be August 14th. So each day of the program we'll have another facilitator that comes in, and each person will be teaching their skill, their knowledge, or something that they want to impart on the girls. So that may be yoga, we'll be moving into our bodies and doing that, some mindfulness tips and techniques, and also a lot of expression through art, which is why the Museum of New Art, where we are right now, is the perfect place to host our summer camp. So we'll make masks talking about the different pieces and sides of ourselves that we show, and we do vision and goals, and we have women that come in from the community that will be able to help and coach and shift their trajectory of where they're going, and so many other, I could talk until I was blue in the face, but so many other activities to help grow their confidence, their resiliency, and their self-esteem. I wanted to say a huge thank you to the Museum of New Art in Portsmouth for hosting us for our second year in a row. Such a special and amazing place. And also a very, very big heartfelt thank you to the Drew Sepp Scholarship Fund. They will be funding the program for this summer. So if you do know a middle school girl that would like to participate, it is free of charge. So please send them our way. Please see on Facebook, Instagram, and our website for the registration form. Thank you.